Are you struggling with skin that just won't glow or battling stubborn weight that won't budge no matter how hard you try? You're not alone. The secret to radiant skin and weight loss could be sitting right in your kitchen in the form of healthy drinks. In fact, studies show that staying hydrated with the right ingredients can boost your metabolism and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 3 simple, delicious drink recipes that can transform your skin and help you shed those extra pounds. Hi, I'm Farhad, a certified nutritionist and wellness coach, and I've spent years helping people achieve their health and fitness goals through food and lifestyle changes. Personally, I struggled with dull, acne-prone skin and fluctuating weight for years before I discovered how much of an impact healthy drinks can have. Today, I'm sharing my favorite recipes that helped me, and thousands of others, achieve that glowing skin and maintain a healthy weight naturally. In this video, we'll cover why hydration and the right nutrients are critical for skin health and weight loss. 3 easy-to-make, nutrient-packed drink recipes that will boost your glow and metabolism. Tips on how to incorporate these drinks into your daily routine for the best results. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to start transforming your skin and body from the inside out, and the best part, it's all done with delicious, natural ingredients. Let's dive into the problem many of us face: dull, tired skin and stubborn weight. You might be eating all the right foods, exercising regularly, but still feel like you're not getting the results you want. What most people don't realize is that what you drink is just as important as what you eat. Dehydration and lack of vital nutrients in our drinks can lead to skin that looks dry, flaky, and aged, while also slowing down your metabolism, making weight loss harder. Many sugary drinks, caffeinated beverages, and even alcohol can dehydrate your body, zap your skin's glow, and actually cause weight gain. But the good news is, with the right beverages, you can fix this. Think about it: every time you reach for a sugary soda or a fancy coffee filled with syrups, you're sabotaging your health goals. That tired feeling you get in the middle of the day, the dry patches on your skin, or the weight that just won't shift, all of that could be tied to what you're drinking. Let me tell you about Sarah. She struggled with adult acne and fluctuating weight for years. She tried every skincare product out there, but nothing worked. Once we changed her daily drinks to more hydrating, nutrient-dense options, her skin started glowing and she lost 10 pounds in just a couple of months. It's amazing what a few simple changes can do. Now, here's where the fun begins. To get glowing skin and start shedding weight, you don't need expensive creams or drastic diets. It all starts with what you put into your body. I've developed 3 easy, super effective drink recipes packed with ingredients that support your skin's health and help you lose weight. These drinks are filled with antioxidants, vitamins, and metabolism-boosting compounds. Let's dive into the recipes and break them down, step by step. This green smoothie is a powerhouse for glowing skin and weight loss. The key ingredients are spinach, packed with vitamins A and C, which boost collagen production and protect your skin from aging. Cucumber, hydrates from the inside out and keeps your skin looking dewy. Avocado, full of healthy fats that keep your skin moisturized and elastic. Green apple, low in calories but high in fiber, helping with digestion and weight loss. Post blending and pouring the smoothie. Blend these with a little water and a dash of lemon juice for a drink that's not only delicious but also helps flush out toxins, giving you that radiant glow. This drink is all about antioxidants. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, which are the bad guys that damage your skin cells and cause premature aging. The key ingredients are blueberries and strawberries. These are loaded with antioxidants like vitamin C, which helps brighten your skin and boost collagen. Chia seeds, a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and can help with weight loss. Greek yogurt, not only does it make the smoothie creamy, but it also provides probiotics, which are essential for gut health and, believe it or not, your skin. Post blending and pouring the berry smoothie. This smoothie is a great post-workout drink because it helps your body recover while keeping your skin glowing. This one is perfect for both detoxifying your body and giving your skin a natural glow. It's a warm drink that's especially great to have in the morning or before bed. The star ingredients are turmeric. This golden spice has anti-inflammatory properties that reduce skin redness and puffiness while supporting your metabolism. Ginger boosts digestion, which is key for both clear skin and weight loss. Lemon, high in vitamin C, Lemon detoxifies the liver, helping to flush out toxins that affect your skin and overall health. Enjoy this drink warm to relax your body, fight inflammation, and give your skin that natural, healthy glow. Let's break down why these drinks work. Hydration is key to skin health because our skin cells need water to function properly. Dehydrated skin looks older, wrinkled, and more prone to acne. The nutrients in these drinks, like vitamin C, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, protect your skin cells, boost collagen production, and flush toxins from your system. On the weight loss side, ingredients like ginger and chia seeds help speed up your metabolism, allowing you to burn more calories throughout the day. Turmeric and ginger also reduce inflammation, which can make it easier to lose weight, especially around the belly area.